Hello. Taking advantage of the beautiful weather, I got up very early to take you on a journey of over 120 miles to a picturesque village located in the northeastern part of the Cotswolds. At dawn, we reached the River Eye, where on both sides lies Lower Slaughter. Ready for a walk? Before we start our walk, I'd like to offer you a video without my captions, while keeping the narrator's voice. I think that removing the captions will allow you to fully enjoy the visuals. Of course, there's still the option to generate automatic captions on YouTube. Let me know in the comments what you think about this idea. Although slaughter may sound ominous, the name actually derives from the Old English word slough, meaning marsh or mud. This fits the village's location along the River Eye, which often spreads out across the nearby lands, creating picturesque waterscapes. It's one of many English village names that captivate tourists with its unusual charm. Lower Slaughter has medieval origins and is mentioned in the Domesday Book of 1086, highlighting its long history of settlement. The village prospered through agriculture and the wool trade, which made the Cotswolds one of England's wealthiest regions during the Middle Ages. Due to strict conservation efforts, Lower Slaughter has remained largely unchanged, now serving as a cherished example of a traditional English village. St. Mary's Church was built in the 13th century and is a fine example of Gothic ecclesiastical architecture. Over the centuries, it has undergone several restorations, including a major reconstruction in the 19th century, which restored much of its former glory. Despite these changes, the church has retained its original medieval details, attracting history and architecture enthusiasts alike. The interior of church features beautiful stained glass windows, including some from the Victorian era, depicting biblical scenes and figures that create a unique ambience. These colorful and intricately crafted windows have attracted many notable figures, including William Morris, a leading figure of the arts and crafts movement. Inspired by the charm of English villages, Morris's admiration contributed to the later preservation efforts for heritage sites across England. Lower Slaughter, with its unchanged, historic appearance, has been a filming location for several well-known films and TV shows. Examples include the series Downton Abbey and the adaptation of Jane Austen's Emma, both of which use the village's picturesque setting to capture the authentic charm of the English countryside. Lower Slaughter also appears in nature and historical documentaries. They showcase the beauty and traditions of English villages. Lower Slaughter is one of the best preserved villages in the Cotswolds, thanks to strict conservation rules. Local regulations prevent major alterations to buildings, allowing the original, historic look of the homes to remain intact. This preservation gives visitors a sense of stepping back in time, as the village looks much as it did hundreds of years ago. The watermill is the heart of the village and one of its most recognizable landmarks. It was built in the 19th century and operated until the 1950s, grinding grain and serving as one of the last working mills in the area. Today, it functions as a museum and shop where visitors can buy local products and learn more about the region's milling history. The river Eye flowing through Lower Slaughter adds a unique charm to the village, especially with the stone bridges that span its banks. These bridges are highly photogenic and attract photographers eager to capture the essence of the peaceful English countryside. In summer and autumn, the river shimmers with colors, reflecting the beautiful hues of the surrounding nature. Lower Slaughter, along with the nearby Upper Slaughter, forms a pair of picturesque villages known as the Slaughters. The two villages are less than a mile apart, making them popular to visit together in a single trip. Despite their proximity, each has its unique character and offers visitors slightly different attractions and views. Finally, a tip for those who wish to reach the village by public transport. From Gloucester, take the 94 service and transfer at Royal Well to the 801 service. That's all for today. See you soon.